First, visit the Canva website or application. How to download Canva application. I showed in last video. I put the video in the recommendations if you guys need it. And in today's video, I will show you what's on the Canva. Canva has ready-made designs for those who have no idea or don't know a design that can be applied. For example, docs, whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, print products, websites, and more. Canva also has a lot of interesting and useful things. Please explore them with me. If you want to use a template, search for your keyword and click on the template of your choice and edit them. If you want to design your own, click Create a Design. And choose the design you want to make, like Facebook cover, logo, or anything. Also, you can customize the size you want. The first is to change the page color. Next is to search for stickers, images, and apply pictures to the frames. We can copy the page or create a new page without having to log out. You can adjust the size of the page so that you can see the fine details more clearly, or even change the page names so you can find them more easily. Next is creating text. Customize fonts and eye-catching effects. is to upload your photo. And finally, we can draw on the page.